Before you join a Google Meet meeting, you can use the Green Room Self-View tile to check your video and audio. The Self-View tile shows how you will appear on camera when you join the meeting. Below this tile, you'll find your device controls for your microphone, speaker, and camera. To test your microphone, click the microphone button and speak. If the mic bar moves, your microphone works. To test your speaker, click the speaker button, then click Test Speakers. If you hear a test sound, your speaker works. To set a virtual background, click the Visual Effects icon at the bottom right of your Self-View tile. Under the Backgrounds tab, select a virtual background from the options provided. To reset your background later, simply go back to the Visual Effects icon and click Remove All. Google Meet also has a feature called Framing that is turned on by default. Framing automatically centers your video if you move too far away from the camera. To turn framing off or on, click the Appearance tab and toggle the framing switch. If you want to manually fix your position, you can click the Reframe button. To save your changes and exit the Visual Effects window, at the top right, click Close. Google Meet automatically sets your video resolution, but you may want to manually change it. For example, if you have a slow network or low battery, you might decrease the quality to improve performance. To adjust this, click the three dots in the top right in your Self-View tile. Then go to Settings, and then Video. To change the quality of video resolution you send to others, use the drop-down menu under Send Resolution. To change the quality of video resolution you receive from others, use the drop-down menu under Receive Resolution. The settings you choose here will be saved and used for all your future meetings. To save your changes and exit the settings window, at the top right, click Close. For more help, visit the Google Meet Help Center